Hello and welcome to my almost final moving day. I'm gonna show you the empty house tour. I have a bunch of stuff in the car to bring in and I'm staring at what you're about to see, which is a lot of boxes sitting in front of my new home. Well, we have a nice helicopter search above me right now. This is not normal. I told you, there were a lot of packages. We need to get them inside, and it's a good sign that they've been sitting out here for 12 hours and no one stole them. Just that helicopter searching for somebody is a little jarring. I forgot my keys. Here is the formal kitchen. It's gonna be really echoey. Obviously right now there's nothing in to balance the echo. We have pulled everything in from outside to inside. This is now the first kitchen intro I can give. Don't worry, I will give a walkthrough. I'm gonna give you a warning. It's like 4 p.m. right now, not the best light of day, but you're still gonna be able to get a vibe. And it will be echoey because it's an empty house. But I know I've taken you on this journey with me. You have helped me pick out houses, gave me tips and tricks and advices, and there's a little fly in here. No thank you, shoe fly. And I know we want to see the final reveal. So here is the kitchen with a ton of counter space that I've already started putting stuff on. A little island, which my chairs will go to, which is why I unfortunately had to sell my island. Are we ready? Here's the view. We walk in and there's a ton of boxes, but this will be over here, the living room space, and then I'm gonna make that corner into a playroom. Obviously, why I needed to sell my kitchen island is because it comes with one. My stools will fit perfectly. I don't quite know what to do with this like serving station, but a lot of counter space. It has so much storage I'm not used to. A black backsplash. This is where fridge would go. He is not here. This is where a washer dryer stackable would go. That's coming day after tomorrow, so day after I move. And it has a little door to close it off. I'm very excited. My mom was too, to have one of these. Are they called a Lazy Susan? Right? What do I do in this? Pots and pans? I think like pots and pans make the most sense. Ooh, or I could do like a spinning snack drawer. No, that will probably end up really bad. I'm trying to show you how much space I have in my living room. I can have an actual living space and then a play space back here. You feel me? I already know the best lighting, tell me if I'm wrong, is going to be right here and one other place to film. Tell me if I'm wrong. I did buy a new really big rug, 9 by 12. I went with Ruggable because I just have become a huge fan with a dog and a baby. I wash it all the time. They are so expensive and it was really hard to buy it. I think it ended up being $900 because you have to buy them at 2. But I still have my other 2 Ruggable rugs. I'm gonna use them in the house. I just wanted a really big guy. I think we should open it together. Let's open him. Yes, I have never ever been sponsored by Ruggable. I have bought all of them. And I have tried because I know my management team works with them with other creators. But not me, just a big fan over here. There's no way to get a grip on this. Oh my God, I just got the top of my wall dirty. She is not perfect. I will get these wrinkles out, I promise. But that gives me an idea of how I want to section off the living room. And then we still wrap around, have the playroom space. Also in the living room, so living room there, playroom here. Oh, what do we have? What do we have in here? We have a bathroom, which has a light that I don't know how to turn on because none of that turns it on. So that's the only confusing thing. Confusing thing? My brain's not working. The other thing I discovered is I'm gonna have to get toilet paper holders, but other than that, we have a shower and a toilet, right? In the kitchen. But I think it will come in handy. Also, think about it. Here, I could see the television TV. Or, you know what? I was gonna put a little potty seat on here and have this be like Arrow's urgency potty, because I'm trying to wean her from the training potty to the toilet. So I'll probably have like steps and a little seat thing and maybe some wipes or something. I need to figure that out. But like, who's gonna shower in the living room? Because there's 2 other bathrooms. I appreciate it, but I don't know, am I the only one that I was like, shower? Oh, I could watch TV and shower. You know, like when you're so into binging a show and you don't want to stop, but you're like, I need to shower tonight. It needs to happen. I could shower and watch TV. Walking out of my living room, TV, toddler bathroom, we have the bedrooms to show. And I'm like 99% sure how I'm gonna split them up. One other bathroom. This is kind of like the main bathroom that I really love. I don't know why I find this feature on the mirror so fun. Why is it not working now? Hold on. That feature. And look, I think that steams the mirror when you shower, but how good of lighting is this? There's no noise, there's silence, there's no fan running. The lighting's good, so different from my other bathroom. Makes me really want to do some like morning routine, day in the life content, makeup, get ready, self-care, skincare. Even though technically this isn't my bathroom, I think I'm gonna make it my bathroom because the primary bathroom isn't as glam as this. Because, I mean, first off, we just have a mirror I love this marble. This has ample storage, cannot compete with the storage in any other area of the house. Average toilet, again, need toilet paper roll holders. The bathtub, I love this bathtub. Not just for me, not just for Arrow. I love the simple design they did of this shelf for products. I hate products down here with the toddler because it's just like a toy to whack. So this, I love. Toddler toys can be down here, or like in a bucket down here. But mom's things, unreachable. Can we all agree that first place I sat with the lighting, really good. This is number 2 place. I'm definitely gonna be in a lot filming. It's just so beautiful. This bedroom right here, this is probably the second smallest bedroom. Has this beautiful mirror. And I'm probably gonna make this Arrow's room just because it's the easiest to black out. Doesn't have a lot of natural light. She still sleeps in blackout space. Has a deep closet. My only fear is that she's moving into a room with a mirror and her bed's probably gonna go that way, so she'll wake up and see herself. I really hope it doesn't scare her. But other than that, I think this is like the perfect space. Here are my thoughts. I measured. Her bed will fit here with the opening this way. That will leave this wall for her storage cubby or this wall. And I already have a ton of design ideas I want to do for her room based off, I went on Pinterest with her and I had my own board picked of things I loved essentially for the living room, and she picked it for her room. So I'm gonna take her taste into mind. I was gonna make it very traditional toddler room, and I might make it more jazzed up and colorful and upscale. So I'm really excited to share that and figure out how I can utilize this space. I'll show you the guest bedroom next. Let's go. This is the guest bedroom, the only room really which I think has the best all time of day natural light, and I'm making it a guest room because it doesn't have like the bathroom and closet attached. You'll see in the other room there's a couple things that make me want that room, but right now it'll be a guest room. If I don't have enough guests, I'll probably make it into an office and just be able to film and create a lot of cool content in here. But it is the biggest room in the house. It's still essentially smaller than the biggest room in my old apartment. Really all the square footage here is in the kitchen and the living room and the yard. Right now, I'm gonna have my old bed because it fits in here. Here, any other storage items that don't fit, like my armoire, I don't know where it's gonna go. My light keeps turning off, I think it's dying. This is my room because it has windows to the backyard and I just feel safest if I am here instead of nobody or my daughter, which was the biggest seller. It is the smallest room, 10 feet by 8 feet, I think it actually is. So not the smallest room in the world, but did not fit my old bed. It also has its own bathroom, very cute. Love this mirror, good lighting. Again, that thing does nothing. We shall figure it out. No toilet paper roll, we shall figure that out. The downside here is this is the only storage. And so I ordered some stuff from Amazon. It's coming in the mail. I really hope it fits. I measured. It's gonna essentially, I have a bottom thing for this and then something that goes on top here. This is the walk-in closet. No, it doesn't go any further. It has these racks here. I'm gonna figure out how to utilize this space the best. I definitely could put something down here. I could put storage boxes up there. I feel like people would see this and see shoes, but I feel like, I don't know, I could do something more. I hate to say it, but also the main reason, other than the dangerous factor of the sliding door, that I made this the primary suite is the natural light is really great for filming. And as someone that does that for a living, that's something I have to keep in mind. And so I got a queen size bed. I'm hoping the nightstands I have now will fit. I think I'll have 2 feet to walk around, maybe less. I don't see a chest of drawers coming in. Maybe I can do a plant. I currently don't have a TV in my room, so maybe I'd mount one. Maybe I'd do some type of, I don't know. If you have any ideas for modern, inspired, Pinteresty ideas for small room storage, but not making it feel cluttered, because I love my bedroom to be pretty much just neutrals. I want the rest of the house to be color and fun and bright and textures, and I like my room to just be neutral. At least I think that's how I like it. That's how I've had it the past 2 years. I don't even really hang up artwork. I don't want any distractions. I just want to like sleep in my room. But maybe I'll change it up. What if I did wallpaper? This will be a queen bed. I think that's a queen exactly. And so you can walk around there. I did get a queen bed with side storage, so I can potentially put my chest of drawers stuff in there and just have to be very minimal. Or maybe I'll keep bedding in there. There is not a ton to do with this, but really you just need a room to sleep and good lighting at my view. Let me show you. It's a yard. I'm so excited. Get sun. I have not figured out outdoor lighting yet. I'm facing the sun. I feel like that should be good lighting, but I feel like maybe it's just really harsh. I am planning on doing some outdoor furniture and an activity table for Arrow that's like half sand, half water, but then you also can just put the tabletop on and then it's like a little picnic bench. I've been debating on either doing a little play structure or like a little slide structure, a little kiddie pool. I don't want to do everything at once because I don't want to overwhelm her and her just think like all this stuff happens all the time. I did the activity table first because I feel like that's just, I know she loves water, playing with water and washing things and bubbles and sand, so I think that was the right move. Trampoline sounds a little dangerous, and playhouse seems like a lot of work to build. But let me know if you guys have any favorite outdoor stuff. I will link everything down below that I bought for my place and that is on my wish list on my Amazon storefront. I kept it like all up to date, and I think it revealed which house I chose before I announced it. I can't even remember, was this house 1 or 2? I think this was house 1, right? It's a big house with the yard. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on this journey. It has been one, and you stuck with me, and I appreciate all of the tips you've been giving me as a single woman living in a home, whether you're a single mom yourself or you just have a partner that is out of the home a lot. You guys gave good tips. And yeah, tomorrow's moving day. I'm obviously going to film all that. It's not going to be in this vlog, so you're going to have to wait till next Monday. Again, I post every single Monday, and I'm going to do some designing stuff on IG Reels, TikTok. So if you aren't following me there, I will have everything linked down below. I think I'm excited now. Are you excited? Are we excited together? Let me know in the comments down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it and it made you happy. And I will see you very, very soon. Next Monday to be exact. Bye. Mwah!